Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely stunning piece of performance equipment. We would like to bring to you this Porsche 911T 992 Carrera S, finished in the Gentian Blue Metallic with a full leather, finished in the dark grey. Now this vehicle comes having covered only 10,445 miles, is in absolutely amazing condition and has all of the specification you would need, and to add to this we have £7,635 worth of factory fitted optional extras. Now I'd certainly like to take you through those details of those extras on this video, and of course take you through some of the standard equipment as well. So the specification includes, as we can see as we're on the exterior, we have the LED matrix headlights, including the Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus, which was a £2,054 factory option. As we can see on the exterior, the Gentian Blue Metallic Paintwork, which was £876. We have the 20-inch Carrera Classic alloy wheels at £809 factory option. A brushed aluminium interior package at £758, which we'll be seeing in just a moment. The PASM sports suspension at £665. Park assist, including reversing camera, at £464. We have an automatically dimming and exterior door mirrors with integrated rain sensors at £387. Privacy glass from that B pillar backwards at £387. Really does tie in the exterior styling incredibly well on this vehicle. The trim stamps in a high gloss finish at £333. Crayon seat belts providing a nice contrast to the interior at £312. The electric folding door mirrors, including the courtesy lighting, which was £240. A heated steering wheel at £189. And last but certainly not least, as we head into the interior, Porsche crest embossed headrests. So as we can see, the quality and finish of the interior is absolutely stunning. There we can see in the headrests the Porsche crest, and that's grey upholstery with a contrast stitching, which does come right down the door edge as well, really finishing off that level of trim at the eye level. We have a full touchscreen in the centre, which is for the satellite navigation, all the multimedia, Bluetooth, and of course that reversing camera. So daily practical specification, this vehicle certainly has it all. And of course, to add to that, the incredible performance we all know Porsche, with its 911 and its heritage, will provide you. So thank you very much for your inquiry, and thank you for taking time to have a look at this video. I do hope you find it informative. If there's anything that we've missed, if there are any other details you require, please do let us know. We'll of course be more than happy to help. And as well as that, we're happy to discuss all of the options that we can assist with, such as in-house funding. We also have extended warranty options, and should you wish to keep the vehicle in the condition that you see here, we have partnered with Autoglim, who are able to provide the exterior and interior treatments to keep the vehicle looking like this. So thank you once again, We will be in touch very shortly with the calculations. Bye for now.